Hello everybody, just wanted to draw some attention to something I've cooked up for Gameboy emulation. It's really just a proof of concept, but I think the concept alone is cool enough to hopefully inspire others to adopt it. In Gameboy games, it's quite easy to identify where you are inside a level by looking at the changes in the background pattern. And if you know where you are in a level, all you have to do in order to take over rendering entirely is figure out which level you're in, for example by looking up the first frame of a level in a dictionary. After that, it's as easy as rendering with a simple pipeline of my own, which draws huge images instead of the original level. Do the same thing with the sprites and you get a method for easily remastering most Gameboy games. I've created a POC implementation based on Yuki's Gameboy.js, and you'll find a link to the fork in the description. Just be aware that it really is only a POC and therefore definitely not ready to run. Code quality is also atrocious, since it's really little more than a playground project that, to my utter surprise, started giving useful results. Now, this is a fairly naive approach to Gameboy emulation, and at a technical level it breaks nearly everything. But because the Game Boy screen is so small, most games actually work with this simplified rendering model. Not all, but definitely enough that we would get a nice library of HD updates if a major emulator would support this style of rendering. Here's hoping somebody can do better than me and is able to integrate this logic into a proper emulator.